Okay, so I compared all the 2x2s, and that was all I was going to do because this video is already super long. So yeah, the Mofang 2x2 is better than the Q, and then Mofang 3x3 is better. And yeah, Pyraminx, obviously I don't have a Mofang of that. I'm going to leave the Mofang pack that I got in the description if you want to get those cubes. I'm pretty sure it was like $17 or something. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. I have a lot to try out today. So this is the same. All three of these are the same, like Q. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it, whatever that says. So that's what all of these are. And then, so yeah, and then I have this one. And then I have this puzzle right here. I already mixed it up and solved it. It's really confusing, but if you think about it exactly like a 3x3, then it's pretty easy. It's actually not easy, it's still complicated. Because there's only two, you just have to think about it as this is considered a green piece, and this is considered an orange piece. So yeah, these is pretty hard. It's a really fun puzzle if you know how to solve a 3x3, but you have to use F12 the intuitive way, like putting pairs in with the corners. And yeah, so this is a really fun puzzle I'd recommend. I'm not actually sure what it's called. And so yeah, I'm going to start off with Pyraminx. I don't really do Pyraminx. I learned how to solve it one time and then I forgot. Now that I have a hopefully good one, I might get back into it. 6 and up. Make sure you're 6. Okay, let's try this out. So it seems pretty good. I'm actually not sure what a good Pyraminx is. Okay, so I got this done. Okay, on to the 2x2. So I already have a GAN magnetic. One of these, I'm actually not sure what it is called. I have this little thing, gives you move notation. And some algorithms. So this is pretty basic. Just a lot of move notation. Yeah. On to the 2x2. Okay, so this is a really, like, blocky feeling. I don't know if that makes sense or not. Like, yeah, like, you can't, like, twist the corner. I'm gonna go get my GAN and compare it. I got my GAN, and compared to this one, the GAN is lighter. A little bit of a noise difference. Yeah, this, just like I said, this one's really blocky. And I just like this one because it's lighter, but it's also much more expensive. So if you're just looking for one to start off, you could get this brand one. Okay, on to the 3x3. I'm kind of excited about this one. Hoping it's pretty good. Okay, so move notation, same thing. And yeah, beginner tutorial. Okay, so let's try it. Ooh, it's really like scratchy. Okay, yeah, so this is scratchy right out of the box, but I can already feel it's getting better just with using it. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. I might lube it, but like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's already pretty dirty. Like, look at that centerpiece right there. It's really dirty in there. So maybe I could clean it. And yeah. On to this. Okay, so these are the cubes. And I'm pretty excited about this 5x5 because I have a really bad 5x5 right now. Ooh, I can already tell this one's gonna be good. Look at this, that looks awesome. Okay, yeah, I think all of these are scratchy right out of the box. Okay, so the brand of this, It's like a Mofang. Please focus. So yeah, that's what that is. Oh, I kind of like this one. I feel like this would be really good with use, just like using it a lot, and maybe lubing it. Okay, let's do a solve. I'm not sure what my time was on that. It was pretty fast for me. Okay, so yeah, this one has a really easy tensioning system. It's just right in the middle. Unlike this, well, it's actually not that hard, but it's still kind of annoying to tension this GAN. Especially with the tool, it doesn't give you an actual screwdriver. I didn't even look at this one. Yeah, this one's kind of hard to pull apart. So you might need a small one. Yeah, so far out of these two, I think I like this one more. The one that came in the big package. Okay, so yeah, this one feels good. It's getting better after being out of the box. And so later today, or maybe tomorrow, I'm going to do solves on all of these cubes versus my other main that I had before. And I'm going to see. I don't actually have the greatest 3x3 right now. I used to have a GAN 3x3 stickerless, but, well, I still have it. But it's not the greatest quality anymore because I didn't take care of it at all. Because I was, like, new to, like, good cubes. I didn't know, like, the other ones, they were, like, really, like, for a while, they just got bad. And I didn't, like, think about cleaning it, lubing it, or anything. So, yeah, so if I'm going to try to use my mains in, like, my main cubes and lube them and stuff. In the 2x2s, I tried lubing my GAN, and, like, there's nowhere for you to put it. You could maybe take the corner off, but I don't know how to do that, and I don't trust myself putting it back on. So I would just stick with your normal 2x2. No lube it or anything. And yeah, so this one, out of the other three I like. So far, like, again, the best just because how light it is. But I think that these two compare in speed. But this one's lighter, so I like this one more as of now. Yeah, I like this one because it's lighter more. So yeah, this one's pretty flexible too. So on to the third three. I think it's going to be like all these cubes. It's going to be scratchy right away. And then get better. Oh wow, this one is good. This is probably better than my main right now. A lot of cubes are better than my main, like speed-wise. And wow, I really like this one. I really like this one. So a lot of cubes are better than my main because of speed-wise, but the magnets in mine I really like. So when I get a good speed quality magnetic one. Okay, so I'm actually gonna do one solve. Okay, so yeah, it's really good. It's just pretty hard to control, only because of the fact that it's so fast without magnets, which I could get used to because I'm just so used to magnets in my 3x3s right now. But yeah, just look at the tension. Okay, so this is the 4x4 and first turns. Okay, so it feels pretty blocky. First turns. Oh, it turns pretty nicely. So yeah, I like it. It's pretty good. It's definitely better than my current 4x4. Current 4x4 right there. On to the 5x5, which is the one I am most excited about. Wow. The texture is way different. These more slippery than this one. I think I'm gonna like this one. Okay, first turns. Okay, so yeah, it's obviously can't be the best 5x5. And since it's 5x5, it's big. So yeah, that is pretty good so far. And it is for sure better than my one I have right now. Since I'm not gonna murder these names, I'm just gonna call this one the Q Cube, and then this one the Mofang. Okay, so now I'm on to the 2x2s. So I have my GAN, the Mofang and the Q. Okay, so first off was 8.71. I got 5.8 on this. And 6.3 on this. Okay, so now I have the same scramble for all three of these, and I will be doing this off. I will be using this one first. I got 7.1 on this. $5.4 on this. And 5.2 on this. So the reason for these two being faster is just because I knew what the solve was going to be. So I'm going to set it up so I know what the solve is going to be for all of them. And then I'm going to do all of them as fast as I can. Okay, I got 4.9 with a little bit of lockup on the GAN. $5.4 on this one. And a very bad lockup on this one, so I got 6.4. So overall, this one's definitely better. So now we're just focusing on these two for maybe like a budget speed cube or something. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing with these two. I got 2.3 on this. And 2.9 on this one. I'm gonna do the same thing again. 2.1 on this one. And 1.9 on this one. Okay, so overall, times aren't really showing me much, but I do actually like the Mofang right here, and better than this Q because of how blocky this one is. I don't really like the blockiness. This one's like really flexible, like you can like turn it anyway. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this one more than this one if you're planning on getting a decent 2x2. But if you have like money to spend, you don't really care, then I would definitely recommend getting the magnetic and 2x2. Okay, so I compared all the 2x2s, and that was all I was gonna do because this video is already super long. So yeah, the Mofang 2x2 is better than the Q, and then Mofang 3x3 is better. I'm gonna leave the Mofang pack that I got in the description if you want to get those cubes. I'm pretty sure it was like $17 or something. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more. See you guys in the next one. Peace.